So some people have been asking me about my garden and how I've got the totes set up and everything else. So let me give you a quick tour. Camera around. So this is our shed, and as you can see, I've got gutters up top here. I also have the same on the other side. All of that is collecting water from this shed, probably, I don't know, 10 by 12 each side, so 120 square feet, maybe 200 and something square feet. All of that is being collected, goes down here to our IBC totes. On top of the tote, we've got a little mesh, and then the gutter just kind of sits right on top of it. Got it kind of held down with zip ties. It's a bit of a mess. I need to clean these up a little bit, but whatever. Totes are on top of two concrete cylinders on each side, lifting them up just a little bit. I honestly think I need to lift them up some more. I'm not getting enough or as much head pressure as I wanted from this because I'm just trying to do just straight irrigation without a pump. The totes are wrapped in this black plastic to keep them as dark as possible so we don't get any fungal or algal growth on the inside. So far it's been okay, no issues. And then from there I've got 3 raised beds. On this outside one we've got corn, which just today started doing whatever that is. I guess they're ready to be pollinated. And then across from them I've got some, I think these are the green peas. I can't remember. Those are the green peas. Then in this middle bed, it's basically Tomato City. We did have lettuce in here. That's the only one that actually started to take. And we've just been cutting and taking it inside. And then we've got a bunch of tomatoes that we got, really cheap little plants that we planted. And then these ones in the cages all came from seed and have been actually doing pretty good. Really happy, just kind of trimmed some back right now. You can see we've got nice tomatoes coming up here, got a couple over there, whatever, they're coming in. And then in this last bed, this is bush peas. Never grown them before. We'll see how good they work when they're all said and done. And then on the other side is cucumbers, which took forever to actually gain any height. So once they started to actually get some height, we set up this bamboo staking, and they've been growing all right. I don't know how well these are going to work. I mean, they've been flowering and you can kind of see some buds down there, but I don't see the typical little green stub that's behind them. So I don't know if they've been pollinated or not pollinated or what's going on. Okay, so those are the plants. Back to the totes. So on the totes, again, as it is, the totes have this fitting down to bottom. It's just a 2-inch pipe, threaded, regular threaded kind of thing. And then for this one, I actually put it into a 2-inch T, and then you do a 2-inch to 3/4 hose thing. That's what this is. Just glue it in there, and then I put a hose adapter on there, and on here I would highly recommend getting these full ball valves and not like the cheaper sort of hand ones like these. There's just not enough interior volume to actually move a ton of water, and I was just not getting a lot of water flow through. So these are the business, and I'm actually getting a decent amount of volume through with a decent amount of pressure for how high these are. On this side, one is connected to a hose, which is actually what we water with. The other one is connected to an irrigation system, which I will eventually set up. That's what this 100-foot, or I think it's 50-foot irrigation main line is, and we've got some other stuff. Probably won't do it this season, but probably next season when we take all these down or everything dies, we'll just redo it, and we'll actually put feeder through. That way we just have to come out here, turn it on, and then come back a couple hours later and turn it off. This one is set up the same way. It just doesn't have the T, it's just directly connected, and that's just basically it. And all of this is just sitting, like I said, on cinder blocks. We put down this fabric to just kind of keep the grass out, but it's mostly working. I mean, the grass is obviously coming over the sides, but I'm not sure we actually killed all the grass over here, because every once in a while when I walk on this, I can feel it popping up. So I think it might just be not fully dead. Maybe when we're all done, again, we'll pull this up and I'll put some cardboard down. Over here, we're planning on doing some more. Probably move these little fake fence thing and this mesh out of the way, probably push it further over to the fence, and then put down as much cardboard as we can and kill all of this grass, as much as we can anyhow, and then maybe plant some more beds, and that might be able to give us some more food. I really want some more lettuce, and I was kind of sad that the lettuce didn't take this year, but that it is what it is. And hopefully we'll have some more next year. And that's the tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.